up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing whatever this is. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tech Nerds, again, back with another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing my phone case for my iPhone 12 mini and my USB-C box. So at the time, I did not know that the USB-C adapter box or brick, I call it box, it's called a brick though. So, but anyways, at the time, I didn't know that brick was in there. So when I was filming, I said whatever this is, or like I didn't know. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all I had to tell you guys. So yeah, let's just head into the video. Let's do it. Okay, so let's see what this is. I think it's my case, and I think the box is still being delivered here on the Walmart app, because that's where I got it. It says the case was delivered and the box is still on the way. But you know, sometimes they get them mixed up. I still haven't even received the email saying this was here. So let's open this up. Okay, so it definitely looks like, is it both? Okay, so ooh, here's the case. And there's something else in here. Oh, yeah, it is both. Look at that. And then there's some other paper in here. Just, oh, packaging slip. Okay, so we got the case, which I'm really excited to open. And then we have the box, so I can finally use my MagSafe charger. I really wish I did an unboxing video on that. So we have 2 unboxings to do. Now, I was planning on doing separate videos, but we can just make this video a couple minutes longer and do both of these. So let's start with this. Actually, I really want to start with the case. I'm sorry, I'm going to start with the case. Okay, so let's peel this here. All right. Pull this up. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So I got this. I got this from Walmart because it's at the AT&T store. It was like 50 bucks. So I found one at Walmart. So I don't know. I think this is the Apple brand one. It looks like it. Oh, wow. I can't wait to put this on. Is there like a slip I need to pull? Like, is there a slip?
Day 2, Day 3, Day 4.
I'm so confused. Like, I know the circle stays here. Hold on. I think I found what I'm supposed to peel. Oh, it's right here. I don't even know if y'all can see that. It's a little tab. Let's do this. Satisfying. It would have been more satisfying though if I had if the case wasn't clear so you can actually see. But yeah, let me just get the other camera real quick so we can film this. Okay guys, I'm on my iPhone 6s recording and I got my iPhone 12 right here in the case. So let's put this on. Now I don't know if this is the official Apple brand because I did get this from Walmart. Hopefully it is. Flash over here representing Best Superhero. Anyways, let's put this case on and see if it lights up, because I do know if you have the official Apple case, Apple silicone case like this, it's going to light up and it will actually tell you what color your case is. So let's see. Okay, no, it did not. Oh my gosh, this looks really good. Okay, wow, this is better than I imagined. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the this over here was open when I put the case on. So let me try. Let me take this case off. Oh wow. I give this case a 10 out of 10, honestly. It's super hard to come off, which I like, which means it's extra protection and it's clear. I knew if I get a different color phone that I would want, I knew if I get a newer phone with colors, I obviously wouldn't want to get just the generic black. So I chose red, my favorite color. And the flash over here representing again. Oh my gosh. I'm like, hey, let's get back to business. Okay, so let's put the phone into the case and okay, so no, it does not tell me what color it is, which means it's not an official Apple case. But I wouldn't say it's a replica. I don't. It says MagSafe on here. I don't know, guys. Let's just try it out. Maybe I had to build something on the inside. I don't know. Let's see. I'm taking this case off the third time. Oh my god. One, actually, a second time. I don't know. Let's just double checking here. No, no, and it's actually a good thing I took the case off because ever since I got my phone before I got my phone before I got the case, and I've been just going crazy. I've been acting like those people that are crazy, who like using your phone without a case. So, you know, glass back, fingerprint magnet. That's all I could say. So just cleaning it off before I put it into the case. You know, I do have a screen protector on here though. Yeah, I had, because I got my screen protector, the box, and the case from Walmart, and they only had the screen protector and the MagSafe charger at Walmart for pickup. So, yeah, is this clean? Okay guys, so at this point in the video, I was recording on my iPhone 6, and since it's so old, the audio feature cut out and it wasn't working. So technical difficulties here, but basically in this point of the video, I was talking about how I love the case. It feels really good. I like how the buttons they feel really comfortable, and I like how the silent button works. Like, well, of course it's gonna work, but like it just feels really good. The buttons, I like them a lot, and it just felt really comfortable and great. And then I went to check out the camera because I wanted to see, because I know some cameras you can see the coverage around. So I wanted to check that with the phone. And let me just tell you, it looks so good. Like, I'm not going to try explaining it again when I have the video right here to show you. Right now, just shooting this recording. Wow, look at that definition, high definition. I'm recording on my iPhone 12. Oh, now Walmart wants to send me an email. Okay, I got it now. Anyways, look at this high definition. I'm recording on the iPhone 6 right here. Then I'm testing out the camera on my iPhone 12 mini, and it looks so wow. I can't wait for you guys to see this in my video. Hey guys, so the next part is the USB-C 18W power adapter. Now, normally when you get your iPhone or your phone, normally when you get an iPhone, it comes with a box like this, and normally the box is bigger because it already comes with a brick, or like I call it, a box. But it didn't this time because Apple is trying to save down on their resources. So yeah, but I do think if they were gonna change the end cord, like, let me show you. Let me open my box real quick and show you. See, now I'm holding my camera. Okay, now here we go. See here. See, Apple, this is the charger that came with the iPhone 12 mini that I have. And you see here, Apple changed that. So therefore, you have to get a USB-C brick, because that's what this is, USB-C. So therefore, if they were going to change that, I think they should have just kept the box, gave us Apple users the USB-C box just for this year, for this phone. So everybody would have at least one box. So yeah. but they didn't. I don't know why. I mean, I know why, but I just suggest, and I just think if you're going to change the brick that we have to use, you at least provide a brick for at least a year so everybody has one. So, yeah, let's just unbox this. So, like so. Okay, so we just pull this up. Wow. Okay. Very nice. I like how simple Apple makes everything. Okay. There's a tab. Oh, I almost dropped it on the table there. Look at that. So they say that the USB-C charges faster. And honestly, I just been using. But if you like, I guess if you're a normal person, like you really wouldn't care how fast your phone charges. But if you're like really busy and you use your phone every day, you would care and you would probably notice too. Me, honestly, I'm good. Like, I don't really care how fast my phone charges until it's like on 5% and I'm about to go somewhere. Then, yes, but most of the time, no. But, hey, well, I don't know what this, I like it. I like it all. So let me just do this stuff right here for now. Oh, don't fall, don't fall. Oh, my battery almost fell. Like, for my remote. Okay, so let's see. We got the MagSafe charger here. So this goes like that. And I have an outlet right here, so let's use that outlet. Oh, probably should untangle it first. Okay guys, so the phone that I was recording on ran out of storage while I was recording, so we're just gonna skip to the end of the video. But like I was saying, the MagSafe charger, wireless charger, is really strong. I really suggest it if you have an iPhone 12. That's like one of the must-have accessories, especially if you have an iPhone 12. Now, yeah, you can, I think it works with the iPhone, any iPhone under the 12. I think. I don't know. We should test that. That should be one of the videos. One of my videos. Yeah, I'll check and see. But anyways, guys, the MagSafe charger, hands down, I like it. I'm not going to rate it yet because this is not a review on the MagSafe charger. That video is coming. This is a review and an unboxing video on the phone case, on the MagSafe phone case, and the USB-C adapter, and I both give them a 10 out of 10. The case, the buttons feel so good, and it looks good. At first, I thought the white circle was going to bother me, but it doesn't. I like it. And then the USB-C adapter, I really haven't tested the speed, and honestly, I don't really care. I just needed a box for the charger, for the MagSafe charger, so I can use that. I also need, and I might have to buy another one for this one. It depends. So, actually, yeah, I might need to. Anyways, yeah, I really highly recommend this. Links to these, to the USB-C adapter, and the iPhone 12 mini will be in my description below. If you want the link to the MagSafe charger, I really want y'all. Wait, should I put it in this video? No, I'm gonna do a review on it. Actually, yeah, I put a link to it in the description just because the review for the MagSafe charger, I'm pretty sure that's not gonna be the next video. It might, depending on this. I don't know. I don't know, guys. So, yeah, the link to the MagSafe charger, the USB-C adapter, and the iPhone 12 mini will be in my description below. So, yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think, and like, turn on post notifications, and subscribe.